Hello guys, welcome back. So let's talk about mixtures. So in this picture, I'm presenting a bowl with salad, right? And the salad has different ingredients. It has the lettuce, it has tomatoes, the cheese, and the croutons, right? So even when they are mixed together, you can see the physical properties. You can identify the different ingredients, right? So that's why a salad could be considered a mixture. Why? Because a mixture is a combination of two or more different substances or ingredients in which the substances maintain or keep their physical properties. So in this picture, even when all the different ingredients are mixed together, they are maintaining or keeping their physical properties. You can still see the tomatoes, the lettuce, the cheese, the croutons. They haven't changed. They still have their physical properties. So now we're going to be talking about the three main characteristics that you have. A combination of two or more ingredients to be considered a mixture. Okay? So the first one, a mixture are made of at least two or more different ingredients. Obviously, we cannot make a mixture using just one ingredient. So we need at least two or more ingredients. In the salad, we have four. But we need, in order to be considered a mixture, you only need at least two different ingredients. The second one, mixtures can be easily separated. With the salad, if we take out all the different ingredients, it's going to be very easy to do it. And mixtures maintain their physical properties. So again, when you combine all the different substances, those different substances need to keep or maintain their physical properties. If something change, that's something different. It could be a solution or something else, but it's not a mixture. Mixtures maintain their physical properties. So in the classroom, we were doing one amazing activity and all of you guys were having a great time. So in that activity, we were using different substances to create mixtures, right? And we were using different tools to separate the mixtures. So the first one that we were doing, we were mixing sand with iron filings, right? Both are solids, and something very important, you can create mixtures not only combining solids. You can have a mixture made out of water or something liquid with something solid. So we mix together the sand and the iron filing to create a mixture, right? But remember that one of the main characteristics of a mixture is that you can separate the different ingredients very easily. So how can we separate sand from iron filings? So iron filings are made of iron, and iron is magnetic because it's a metal, right? But remember, not all the metals are magnetic, but iron is magnetic, can be attracted to a magnet. So in this case, well, because of the iron is magnetic, we were using a magnet to separate this kind of mixture. And that is a very easy way to separate sand from iron filing. So then we were trying to do another mixture. We were mixing water and gravel, right? Because in this case, the mixture is a liquid and a solid. And obviously, when you mix them together, they are going to keep their physical properties. The water is going to still be water and the rocks won't change. So this is the proof that mixtures maintain the physical properties. And a very easy way to separate the water from the gravel is using a funnel, and the funnel has a filter. The filter is used to separate liquids from solids. Okay guys, so let's review very quick about mixtures. So remember, mixtures is a combination of two or more ingredients that they maintain their physical properties. Remember that a mixture, something can be considered a mixture is the different ingredients can be separated easily. Remember that has to be a combination of at least two or more different ingredients, and the ingredients keep or maintain their physical properties. Ahora quiero que piensen qué cosas en nuestros hogares, especialmente en la cocina, tenemos que son la combinación de dos o más ingredientes que mantienen sus propiedades físicas. Piensen qué cosas comemos, cuáles son nuestras comidas favoritas que pueden ser considerados una mezcla. Yo le voy a decir cuál es mi comida favorita que es considerada una mezcla. La pizza. La pizza es la combinación de dos o más ingredientes. Tenemos la corteza, tenemos el queso, la salsa o cualquier otra de las carnes que le podemos aplicar. Al fin y al cabo van a ser fáciles de separarlo, aunque no los queremos separar, ¿verdad? Queremos comerlos juntos, pero sí son fáciles de separar. La pizza es considerada una mezcla. Ahora, cuando veas este video, tu tarea va a ser, ¿cuál es tu comida favorita que puede ser considerada una mezcla? Bueno, chicos, espero que se hayan divertido, que hayan repasado y nos veremos hasta la próxima.